before I read his address, the message I have from Amasi is that he wants to see a big, strong, and reliable organization in USA and for the Efik. Big, strong, and reliable. We don't want factors. We don't want shortcuts. So please, as we are here, I deliver this speech. This is a goodwill message from His Eminence, I didn't make token of us, or to the Obong of Calabar, to this August occasion. Esteemed members of a favorite kingdom, resident of the United States of America, it fills my heart with immense joy and gratitude to find out. Please let us listen to the Obong speech. I want audience, please. Please let us listen to this speech because it's for a purpose. It fills my heart with immense joy and gratitude to finally witness this historic occasion. The reconciliation and coming together of the Efik National Association, INC, USA, NA, and the Efik National Association, USA, INC, Efik, USA, culminating in this joint convention marks a very significant milestone to the Efik community in America. For many years, the Efiks in America have been divided, resulting in unfortunate repercussions for our beloved children. Despite numerous attempts at mediation and well-meaning individuals, and even the Obong spirals, the path to reconciliation has been ahead of us. However, through unwavering dedication and perseverance and shared commitment to our cultural heritage, you have triumphed over these divisions. Please, a round of applause for themselves. Unfortunately, even at home in Nigeria, there are a few who remain opposed to the idea of unification of a Senate individual. But it is our hope that with time, they will see our strength as a people lies in our unity, love for one another, mutual respect, and upholding of our timeless cultural values. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to the presidents of both associations whose tireless efforts have made this joint convention possible. I thank